Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A40 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first, open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should find and pick wallpapers and themes. Hello. And now you can select one from the My Wallpapers album, one from the online wallpapers, or maybe one from your photos. Let me pick one from the My Wallpapers and it can be this one. Now decide if you would like this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. So let me pick the third option. Wait a couple of seconds, and this is how it will look like. If you truly want to set it up, just click on Set as Wallpaper. And from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So that's it. From now on, you can change your wallpaper whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.